Life is inherently drawn to the water's edge. Coasts are where people like to live, where industries like to do business, and where tourists come to relax. It's not just people that depend on the coasts and the Great Lakes. Coastal wetlands are among the most important areas for wildlife as well. Here in western Lake Erie, coastal wetlands once blanketed the shoreline, but today, only 5% of this important habitat remains. The Nature Conservancy's Erie Marsh Preserve is one of the largest remaining coastal wetlands in the area. Construction is underway at Erie Marsh in a 4-phase restoration project to restore the physical connection between the preserve and Lake Erie. This work will help improve our ability to control invasive species, provide spawning habitat for fish, and increase access for recreation in the preserve. Coastal wetlands are the biological engines of the Great Lakes. Many fish species come to wetlands for a safe place to lay their eggs. Some mammals, such as muskrats, call the wetlands home. And birds of all shapes, sizes, and colors use coastal wetlands throughout the year. As this early May storm rolls in, migrating songbirds traveling through the Great Lakes region this time of year seek refuge for the night in Erie Marsh. The next morning, the foggy forested perimeter at Erie Marsh is abuzz with the small and colorful migrants. Weighing barely more than a nickel, these warblers are filling up on the spring bounty of insects before embarking on the next leg of their journey, eating up to 10% of their body weight in one day. Places like Erie Marsh are truly vital to the Lake Erie Basin. That's why the Nature Conservancy and its many partners in the region are working to protect and restore coastal wetlands throughout the western Lake Erie Basin, both for people and nature. To learn more about our other nature preserves, visit nature.org/preserves.